Hello everyone, welcome to Singapore Hobby. My name is Ronald and I'm here very excited to introduce a new model that has just arrived with us. And this is the FMS 1700mm PA-18 Super Cub. Now this model is a plug and play model. Alright, it comes with all the electronics. The motor, speed controller, servos, everything is built in. Yep. So what it also comes with is very big wheels. So for the beginner, the landing is safer and it'll be much a breeze. Okay, it also comes with a flight stabilizer called Reflex V2. So for the beginner, you can turn it on, it makes it easier to fly. And as you progress into the more advanced and expert, you can actually just turn it off. Right? So you can do loops and rolls and all the simple basic maneuvers with this model. It comes with a two-piece wing plug-in. The struts are there, very strong, and the wheels with the suspension. So it is actually a model in real terms. It's actually a STOL, stands for short takeoff and landing. Okay. Now on top of that, it comes included with water floats. Okay. So this was an interesting add-on that we thought, and one of our members actually encouraged us to try it. So we have never flown on water before. Personally, I've not done it, and we tried it, right? And it was an amazing experience with this model. It's so easy to fly, so nice and forgiving in the air. Landing on it was so easy. So we put together a video, and we hope you enjoy. Like our videos if you enjoy what you've watched. And if you find that the video was helpful, please share it. Any suggestions, most welcome. Please comment down below. And if you'd like to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.